But here they are. So what is good, y'all? Carlos and Kicks back here with another little quick vid. Wasn't even gonna do a vid. Okay, wasn't even gonna do a vid on these, but you know, I'm just so annoyed by them that I'm just gonna rant to you guys. So I opened the box, but I haven't actually taken them out yet because I wanted to talk to you guys about them. So as you know, let's get this out of here. $350 box. It is the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Israfil, but it just says Israfil 3 times over and over. It is not mine. I have a size 4 here, a little base size one. I was not going to pick these up for myself. I'm just not a big fan of the colorway, but I wanted to get them in hand and get a look at them because these Yeezys are a little bit different than a lot of the ones we've seen, and it looks like going forward, this is going to be the new norm for them. So let's take a look here. All right, so first of all, in the box, we have another little description here. A special knitting process creates one-of-a-kind prime knit upper for every pair, just like the other one. And then we also have, for the first time I know, an extra set of laces. But here they are. So just a standard 350 V2. Let me get them both out here for you. So yeah, I mean, this colorway just wasn't, and it wasn't for me. I missed the pull tab, first of all, on the back. I mean, a bunch of them haven't had it either. These didn't have them. And I don't know, I realized how much I used it once I didn't have it, you know? So these are the 350 V2 Israfil. I like the kind of almost gum bottom, but it's more of a like tan instead of gum bottom, but I like that. It just gets filthy super quick. You know, upper feels a lot better than the last pair. But these came out August 22nd, I want to say. Retail was $220 for the adult sizes, and then they went down from there for the kid sizes. So the big thing with these is this is the first pair, at least that I'm aware of, that has the infinity lace system, which pisses me off. So, you know, this is pretty tight on here. So if you got a big foot like your boy does, I wear my Yeezys super loose like that. So yeah, they come with an extra set of laces. I can do this lacing on this shoe if I wanted this one myself. But it's not just this shoe. I mean, from what I've seen, you know, other Yeezys going forward are going to have this infinity lacing or infinity loop lacing on them also. And the only way, so they have this little rubber here on the lace. The only way to get that off, or to get this lace off, is to cut that. Like, why? Like, I just don't understand the point in doing that. For a ton of different reasons, right? It's you're wasting more material. You're making someone cut a part of their shoe off, which I get there's a lot of shoes that say, oh, destroy this, destroy that. But those shoes, the more you wear them and wear them in, if they have, like Travis Scott's, if they have that underlining on them, then you're gonna see that. You know, Yeezys are not that branded. I'm sure that's not what they're going for when it comes to this lacing. It's just one solid loop that's sewn together. But I just hate that, you know? Like, why make me relace it? Like, just keep the standard laces. Like, I don't understand. That's not saving them any money to throw in another pair of laces. So why do it? I don't know too many people that are happy with that. As far as I've seen in other people's reviews, they just don't like it. I mean, even these, and it pulls it so tight. Where is it at? You can almost see, it looks like that upper is like stretching a little bit right here. Am I wrong? Right there. Like, it's already pulling it tighter than it should. Like, that hole is bigger than it should be because this is so tightly laced with that. And I have to unlace them. Like, granted, this upper is only going to go so far, but I need it to go all the way out to get my fat foot in one of these. Granted, this is not mine, not my size, but that's just something, you know, I want to know how you guys feel about that infinity lacing system. If you guys like it, maybe it's just me. Maybe, you know, maybe it's just my personal preference on them. I don't like it. I wasn't a big fan of this colorway either. This colorway really reminds me of the Hospital Blue colorway. You know, even the bottom. So these are not mine. Also, these are beige as well. But I mean, I almost like these better. Even that little hint of pink on there, that midsole. But the 700s have always been my favorite over 350s. But it just reminds me of that same kind of colorway that we got with the Hospital Blues, Israfils. I like the little tan stripe we have here. It's a lot clearer than other ones that we've got. Like, you can see a lot better through that than you can on some of the other ones. Like, let me show you this here. Like this one, for example, you know, it's not as see-through. So I like that this one's a lot more see-through in comparison to a lot of the other ones. I don't like this shade of blue, gray, whatever the hell this is, personally. Again, if you guys like these, let me know down below. But yeah, just something I wanted to talk with you guys about here. You can even see it here pulling out a little bit more. You know, I just don't, it's just not for me like that. That's the only reason I don't lace Yeezys up super tight, is because this upper is just not gonna hold up to super tight lacing like leather is going to, or like my Jordan 1s, I lace those up super tight and all the way up. That's just me, that's how I wear them. Yeezys, I don't do that because I don't want to tear this upper, especially with this stripe right here. Like, that material is not gonna hold up over time if you keep pulling them tight like that. So just with shipping, I mean, these things haven't been tried on. I just pulled them out of the box, right? So just something I wanted to kind of get out there, see what your guys' thoughts were on them. Also show them to you in hand, in case you guys haven't seen them, which there's a ton of videos about them already. So these took forever to ship. I don't know if it took anyone else a lot longer. I mean, I've seen a bunch of videos of these come up already, so I'm guessing everybody got their pairs a lot faster. But yeah, Yeezy supply took forever for these even to ship for me. I mean, what, almost 2 weeks now? But let me know what you guys thought of these, if you went for them, if you got them, if you were getting a W. Let me know. And if you like this lacing system, tell me why. Because I'm just not a fan of it. I guess it's cool that it's just one solid lace and it's not all sloppy, but I like to have the option. I guess, yes, I get it. They gave us that option, but don't make me cut my laces when I don't have to. Like, it just leave it the way it is. Why? But I appreciate you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little quick vid on these, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.